Hi, this is Julia C. Welcome to 408 Home and Home. Now, on the 6th of each month, we're going to use in the Redfin data to share with you our 6 counties in San Francisco Bay Area. We're going to look at the new listing, the overall inventory, which is the active listing, as well as the pending sale, which show us the demand, and then the final median price. So if you follow us, you definitely know the trend of each county. So let's start it with the Alameda County. So what you see here is a new listing. The blue line here is the 2025 year. The yellow line here is 2024. The red line is for 2023. So we're going to compare this with the last 2 years. So you can see from the blue line, the data is up to August 3rd, which is just 3 days ago. You can see the new listing, the trend. The line shows you starting in May 18, it has been dropping. And for the last couple of weeks, it pick up a little bit. That's the new listing. We're about 15% below 2024. So let's look at the overall inventory, which is the active listing. Overall active listing is also dropping the trend since May 25th. And now we are better 6% more than a year ago at this time. So look at the pending sale. The pending sale is already in contract, just waiting for the buyer to get close, which shows the demand for the current market. So the pending sale shows the weak compared to last 2 years. The trend is still going down, but the trend of dropping is slow. It's a little bit slower. So it's like year over year, it's dropping 13% for the pending sale. And finally, look at the price. The price trend, look at the line is still dropping, going down. We are down 4% year over year. So that's Alameda County. Look at Contra Costa, new listing, same story. It's dropping, and then for last couple of weeks, we pick up a little bit, but we're still 10% below last year for new listing. And overall active listing trending down slowly, but still have 15% more listing than last year this time. And the pending sale, it also shows weaker than last 2 years, pretty much 7% below last year. And then the price for Contra Costa is trending down again, and it's 5% below last year. So that's the Contra Costa County. Okay, let's look at the Marin County. The new listing is also dropping. It's for last week we pick up a little bit, and for the overall inventory, it's dropping too, and it's still 16% more listing than the same time last year. And for the pending, it's dropping, trend is dropping down, and it's down 18% year over year. And the price is the same as 2024, but the trend is going down. Okay, now let's look at San Francisco. New listing, it's the same thing, dropping, pick up a little bit compared to last week. We're down 16%. And then the overall inventory also dropping. It's down almost 7% year over year. And then the pending sale, it's also trending down. It's down 8% year over year. Price is also trending down, same as last year at this time, but a lot better. Actually, 4%. It's kind of hard to say, but it's 4% better than last year for San Francisco, but the trend is going down. Now, San Mateo County, new listing, it's same story, dropping, pick up for last couple of weeks. We are 21% below last year. And then the overall inventory is also dropping, but it's 13% less than last year. And pending sale also dropping 11%. below last year, and the price is about no change compared to last year, but we are kind of like dropped a little bit since June, and now it's kind of in this level horizontally. Okay, lastly, if we look at Santa Clara County, the new listing is dropping sharply, and we just pick up a very little this week, and it's dropping 24% year over year for new listing. And overall active listing is also dropping 7% below last year. And then the pending sale is dropping lower than the last 2 years, 22% below year over year. And then the median sale price is the same as 2024, but the trending is down. Okay, so that's the Redfin data. Overall, new listing as well as the inventory dropping. Many of the seller pull off the market. But also the pending sale, which just shows the demand is also dropping. Overall, median sales price is also going down. So it's pretty much very weak, okay? Now, at the 20th of each month, we're going to share with you using the MOS data with the 26 cities, the same story about the market trend. So see you then. Bye bye.